How to add a background image to PowerPoint. Hi everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can add a background image to PowerPoint. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you want to add a background image to PowerPoint, these are the process you may follow in order to do so. You just need to launch your PowerPoint onto your device. After launching, you just need to head over to one of the presentations. For example, this one right here. I'm just choosing a blank presentation for now for an example only. And you're just going to head over to the insert section where you'll be finding pictures option. Just click on it and you'll be finding this device. You may just select a picture from a device, or either you may just browse one of the images. I'm just going to select the picture from the one that is already on my device and insert it onto my presentation. You may also follow the same process if you want to do so. After the picture is added, you just need to adjust its picture according to your presentation. I'm just gonna adjust it at the right side of the screen. Like I'm just gonna pull it to each side of the screen so that it fits the presentation. After it is adjusted properly, just right click on it and you'll be finding this option called send to back. Just click on it, and what that does is you'll be able to add text on at the upside of the picture that you've just added. Like you can create a presentation on the upper side of the picture that you've just added. So you may also follow the same process in order to add a background picture on your PowerPoint presentation. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.